I've spent most of my career working in complexity. Healthcare is one of the most interconnected and challenging systems we have, and I've always been drawn to the work of bringing clarity, steadiness, and purpose to environments where decisions truly matter. My introduction to healthcare came early. As a teenager, I worked in my father's pediatric practice, doing everything from organizing charts to supporting the behind-the-scenes work that keeps care moving. What I learned then stayed with me. Every role matters, details matter, and trust is built one interaction at a time. Over the years, my career has spanned integrated health systems, clinical operations, enterprise strategy, and large-scale technology initiatives. I made deliberate moves across roles not for advancement alone, but to better understand how healthcare is delivered, financed, and experienced from every angle. That breadth of perspective has shaped how I lead today. The Executive MBA program at the Anderson School of Management was a pivotal part of that journey. Learning alongside professionals from a wide range of industries challenged my thinking and sharpened my ability to approach complex problems collaboratively. The team-based work at Anderson reinforced something I believe deeply. Better outcomes are achieved from diverse perspectives, open dialogue, and shared ownership. Today, as Chief Executive Officer of TriCore Reference Laboratories, I partner closely with my executive team and the board of directors to define vision, strengthen mission alignment, and ensure we remain a trusted clinical and data partner for New Mexico. I'm especially proud to lead a workforce I deeply respect, and to focus on culture, development, and retention as foundations of organizational strength. Leadership, to me, is rooted in listening and curiosity. One of the most impactful pieces of advice I received was that staying curious and truly listening are a leader's greatest tools. When people feel heard, trust grows, and organizations become stronger. That mindset has guided me through some of the most defining moments of my career. To Anderson students, I would offer this: say yes to opportunities that stretch you. Learn from people who think differently than you do. The moments that feel unfamiliar or uncomfortable are often where the most growth happens. Being recognized by the Anderson School of Management means a great deal to me. Anderson shaped my perspective as a leader and reinforced the value of learning alongside people with different experiences and ideas. Staying connected to the school matters because Anderson plays a critical role in developing the leaders our community depends on. Supporting that work through mentorship, engagement, and service is an investment in New Mexico's future, and one I'm proud to make.